Tanza Specialists Medical Center.
Overall, wala akong masabi. Very top-notch yung facilities ng Tanza Specialist Medical Center. Assured na hindi ako mahihirapan all throughout my cancer journey here sa TSMC. I am well taken care of. Most especially since cancer patient ako, there was a time na medyo nahihirapan ako because of some circumstances that comes along the way. Because syempre, as a cancer patient, medyo sensitive yung sense of smell ko. The nurses really helped me to overcome these things. Grabe, si Doc Jawid, he really is the king of the oncology. Because when I was confined sa Tanza Specialist Medical Center, may taning na talaga yung buhay ko. So I do have like 20% chance para mabuhay. And then, thankfully, na-meet namin si Dr. Jawid, my onco-lodi. He really fight all throughout my journey. And I am really thankful for him, most especially sa patients niya, sa mga bagay na ina-advise niya sa akin. Lalo na medyo meron ako mga petty na tanong. Just for an example, if pwede ba akong kumain ng ice cream in the middle of the night? So since I am a first-time cancer patient, I really don't have any ideas of what food do I need to take. I would really like to send my heartfelt gratitude to my doctor, Dr. Jawid, Dr. Garibay, and Dr. Villanueva, and Dr. Ner, and Dr. Pasco, and to the nurses of the TSMC, most especially kay Nurse Al, kay Nurse RJ, kay Nurse Pau, and to the nursing assistants also, kay Miss Jo, and to the other things na nakasama at nakasalamuha ko all throughout my 3-month journey of cancer here at Tanza Specialist Medical Center. And again, maraming salamat po sa staff and sa mga tao pong bumubuo ng Tanza Specialist Medical Center na tumulong po sa akin para ma-overcome itong aking cancer journey. Thank you po.